The placental location does not determine your labor. So, placental location ay iba-iba. It's just the location where the placenta is implanted and the following are descriptions sa ultrasound. This is in relation dun sa uterus. So, kung anterior, sa harap, posterior, sa likod, fundal, tuktok, or yung low-lying is mababa siya or previa is covering the cervix. Wala po siyang kinalaman sa duration ng labor mo. So, let's talk about the factors affecting your labor. Unang-una, what is labor? By definition, labor is uterine contractions that bring about cervical dilatation and effacement. So in short, dapat mag-open ang cervix mo because sometimes we have false labor or yung tinatawag na Braxton Hicks contractions that yes, magko-contract but it does not bring about cervical dilatation. So etong sa likod ko are examples ng true labor and false labor. So it will depend on sa intensity ng contraction, frequency, yung change mo sa cervix, ayan. Tapos, yung kung saan yung contractions, yung timing, gaano katagal. So, ano nga yung factors na mag-a-affect ng labor na yan or yung tagal ng labor mo? 3 P's. Power, passenger, and passage. Power, yun yung contractions of the uterus. Mild ba yan? Strong, regular, irregular, mahaba ba yung duration, interval, frequency? That will depend on how the cervix will dilate. Therefore, the duration of your labor. Number 2, passenger. Si baby. Size ni baby, malaki ba yan? Maliit? Posisyon ng ulo niya? Tabingi ba? Asynclitic? Face presentation ba? Those are the factors that will depend kung mabilis ang labor mo. Siyempre, pag malaki, minsan matagal mag-open yung cervix or mabagal siyang bumaba. And third would be the passage, yung daanan ni baby. Sipit-sipitan mo, kasya ba siya? If malaki ba siya at maliit yung sipit-sipitan mo, siyempre hindi siya kakasya, di ba? So, other factor, siyempre, pang ilan mo na yan na pregnancy, we can expect mas mabilis mag-labor yung mga pangalawa pataas kesa sa mga first time. So, ayan po yung mga factors that will determine your progress of labor. So, always talk about your birth plan sa iyong OBGYN.